naman pare-parehas ang isip ng mga tao rito eh. Kanya-kanya. Buhay niya, iligtas niya. Buhay mo, iligtas mo. Ganun dito. Pagkakaalam ko kasi, nag-inuman kami. Sa sarap ng inuman, hindi na iwasan talaga na magkakagulo ba. Kaya, nandito na ako, nakulong na ako sa pangyayaring yun. Bigla akong binunutan. Talagang binubunot niya yung yung 29 niya, may 29 siya. Pilit niyang kinukuha yun. Pero talagang hinawakan ko yung kamay, hindi ko pinabayaan na nabunot niya yun. Siguro pag nabunot niya, baka akong napatay. Sinaksak ko na siya.
Much like Joan, many other inmates in the Abra Provincial Jail and all over the Philippines have been deprived of justice due to various reasons, from insufficient finances to the lack of legal support from their respective municipalities.
Kaya nga nagtagal dahil karamihan naman postpone eh. Iseset nila 2 buwan. Pagdating ng 2 buwan, hearing mo, postpone na naman. Ganun na naman na buwan. Kaya magtagal-tagal na yung kaso rito. Kaya nga ang gusto ko sana sabihin, mapadali yung mga kaso namin rito sa loob.
In an effort to address this issue, the Supreme Court has initiated an innovative program in making justice more accessible to the people, literally. Originally launched on June 8, 2004, the Justice on Wheels aims to create a mobile court system in providing fast and free resolution of conflicts. This was inspired by a similar initiative by the Guatemalan government, wherein mobile courts were deployed to different municipalities that had little or no access to courts or detention centers.
So we had this Justice on Wheels program. We have these mobile courts going all around the country to help these inmates get faster and fairer justice. The objective of the establishment of this small claims court to improve the velocity of justice on the part of our poor people. The feedback is excellent, and this is not surprising because of the results that have come out from this program. In less than 3 years' time, the Justice on Wheels has already terminated the cases of our poor litigants involved in criminal litigations, and they number less than 6,000.
The program began by converting 3 large buses into mobile courts and bringing them over to municipalities without regular courts and detention centers. The first one being at the Manila City Jail and Manila Youth Reception Center, and the others being deployed to Bulacan and Rizal.
Bring justice to them.
In July 2008, the Justice on Wheels was relaunched during the watch of Chief Justice Puno as the Enhanced Justice on Wheels, and was expanded to provide more components to enhance access to justice for the poor.
The Enhanced Justice on Wheels program of the Supreme Court is the conducting of trial in these mobile courts, which we bring all over the country. Many of them would want to already plead guilty, for instance, but for one reason or another, the proceeding could not proceed, so they remain in jail. There are those also who have been detained beyond the maximum of the penalty for which they are being charged. This medical dental component where free medical and dental aid are given our detained prisoners. This is normally in collaboration with local government officials, but most of the time, Philippine Medical Association, they also help out. The IBP sport participation is also required in this program because they give free legal advice to our prisoners. I think a major factor of this program is our dialogue with the local judges. In this way, we get to know firsthand the problems encountered by our judges in the field. The reason why the presence of the Chief Justice in our sorties is very important.
Siya ang mag-abogado ko sa mga akusado. Stenographer. Dito papasok yung akusado.
Saan sir po, sir?
Ganyan ang mobile court.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay.
Upo kayo, opo.
Yan.
People versus Caparas, Carlos and Pedrosa, acts of lasciviousness in relation.
In an effort to address the problem of jail decongestion, EJAO provides mobile courts to hear cases of inmates and minor offenders who were detained in various overcrowded jails and detention centers. The mobile court hearings use the same process as any other court proceeding. The judge, the clerk of court, the counsel for the accused, the prosecutor, and the stenographer are all present inside the bus. Before an EJAO visit, an inventory of cases and inmates are conducted. Special circumstances such as overstaying inmates, repeatedly postponed hearings, or inmates who have been abandoned by lawyers due to lack of financial support are given priority in the inclusion of the cases to be heard in the EJAO. However, all the cases of the inmates of each precinct visited by the EJAO are given the opportunity to be heard in the mobile court. The EJAO also holds mobile court annexed mediations, or MCAMs. Apart from holding mobile court hearings and court-annexed mediations, the EJAO conducts medical and dental missions for the detainees, free legal aid care of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines, and information dissemination drives conducted by lecturers of the Philippine Judicial Academy, or PhilJA, which provides lectures on the powers and authorities of barangay officials and the rights of marginalized sectors. This component aims to keep the barangay officials informed of their duties and responsibilities, and the public of their basic rights, covering areas such as the property law, obligations and contracts, family law and indigenous peoples' law, among many others. All of these are part of the court's initiative of increasing the access of the marginalized to justice. In the precinct where Joan is detained, his fellow inmates are still hoping to get a second chance at life, a chance to live life outside bars. On April 15, 2010, they are given their chance at justice. As the EJAO team set up camp, the inmates are ambivalent as they wait. In Joan's case, he can only fall in line, hoping to have a successful hearing. It is now his turn. It is a critical moment in his life. This hearing holds this man's fate.
Ang sabi nila nun, frustrated murder, pero itong decision na to, naging physical injury lang. Kung hindi ako ngayon na-acquit, Ganon. Eh sigurado, ang ano ko nito, magtatagal pa ako rito. Ako, nagpapasalamat ako sa Justice in Wheels kasi pag hindi sila pumunta rito, siguro, tatagal pa ako rito. Hindi ko alam kung taon pa o ilang taon. Kasi sa bagal nga ng ano dito eh. May kasabihan nga na pag wala kang pera, dito ka muna.
After a day of Ijaw in the Abra Provincial Jail, several inmates were released and civil cases terminated through the mobile court hearings and court-annexed mediations, with the numbers varying from court to court. Moreover, the inmates were also provided with medical and legal assistance, and the whole town was informed about their rights through talks given by the Filja. Certainly, the Ijaw would not have been successful were it not for the support of the different stakeholders in the justice sector. This is only one of the many successful Ijaw programs conducted since its launch. Because of Ijaw, thousands of inmates have already been released, given medical attention, and given proper justice, proving the continuous success of bringing justice to the people. And for as long as the Ijaw is on the road, the people can expect that justice is coming their way.